if you want to add a location in Google Maps, so whether it might be your own personal location or a location that is a restaurant or a hotel that is not listed on Google, simply head on over to Google and you can do a pin. So let's say there is a restaurant here. So I can drop a pin like this just by holding the location. And once you do that, you can click on add label. Now, if you add a label, this will be your personal location label. So this won't show to anyone else on Google. So let's say this might be my gym. So I can add my personal label over here. However, if it's a public restaurant or hotel where you want to add the listing to be publicly available to anyone, then you can just go on ahead and drop a label like this. And then once you drop a pin, you will see on the bottom it says add a missing place. So click on add a missing place over here, and from here you can add the business information. So such as the place name, the category of the place, the location, and additional details about the place as well. So in this way you can get started with adding locations on Google Maps. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.